Good morning everyone from Disney's Hollywood Studios, and today we've got a few fast passes to do, but first we need to cross through security and the front gate. So we're all in, and our first fast pass is for Muppet Vision, so we're going to head straight over there now. So you can see the Chinese Theatre at the end of the street just over there, and Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway is opening in just over a week. So that'll be exciting when that opens. So there's the entrance to Galaxy's Edge just over there, but we're heading over to Muppet Vision and doing our fast pass over there. Here we are at Muppet Vision, so let's go in and do our fast pass.
Muppet Vision 3D. At this time, please make sure everybody in your party has a pair of our special 3D glasses. Remember, don't put on those 3D glasses until instructed to do so by our special lab technician.
Put on your glasses, Dabbler. Yeah. Hey, look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady.
For the cover, those are any folks, please no flash photography or video lighting during the show. Now, we're going to put our 3D glasses and enjoy Muppet Vision 3D.
Orchestra of penguins. The job for the hell of it. Hey, what's all the commotion about?
Bunny ran away!
Well, you know what that makes you? Smarter than us.
Hey, anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where? Where? Oh, not there, but a bunny. A bunny? Bean!
Hi, sweetums.
Hey, Kermit, look! What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away.
So we are all done on Muppet Vision, and we're gonna have a little walk around, and our next fast pass is Tower of Terror, which you can just see through there, probably in just less than an hour. So now we are actually going to head over to One Man Street and do that. Here we are at One Man Street. So this is a desk from Walt Disney's school that he went to, and as you can see, he engraved his initials on the desk. And you can actually see a picture here of Walt Disney at this very desk, looking at his initials. So you can see some of the early merchandise that was available when Mickey Mouse first came out. And these are from 1932. This is one of the trunks that Walt Disney used when he went on travels with his wife. Lots of models are on display here, and this is the Jungle Cruise. Here's some stuff that was worn by the Mouseketeers back in the 40s to the 60s. Quite a lot. Here's an Oscar from Walt Disney for 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. And here is a model of the Cinderella Castle.
It's right here, Mr. Lincoln and the Illusion.
And this is from 1964 for the New York's World Fair. And then this is also the model designed for Epcot, and it was made in 1980. And also on display is a model of Galaxy's Edge and the Millennium Falcon. And the Resistant transport ship is always also here. This is also on display by the theatre in One Man Street for Pirates of the Caribbean. And these are the costumes that were worn in Descendants 2 in 2017. And they got all of the main characters. So we're all done in One Man Stream. Now we're going to head over there to do Tower of Terror with our fast pass. Here we are at Tower of Terror. This is our first time doing it in a few years because last time when we came in the summer, it was very, very busy, and it's only because they had one side going. So the queues were probably twice as long.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
So we did have fast passes for Toy Story Mania, but that's down at the minute, so we're going to take a walk through Toy Story Land and into Galaxy's Edge. So we're now in the line to meet Woody and Jessie, and this line is very, very long. So we've been in the line for Woody and Jessie for about 40 minutes, and no, nearly 40 minutes. 35 minutes, and torrential rain has just started, and I think I just heard some thunder too, so I don't know if we're going to get a photo with them or not. So it's been raining for probably about 20 minutes now, and it doesn't show a sign of stopping. So we're going to go home, we're going to call it a day. We didn't manage to see Woody and Jessie, but we've been on a few rides, so that was good. But thank you all for watching, and from a very wet day here at Hollywood Studios, goodbye.